In this section, we will take a closer look at opening, editing, and saving code plugs. Let's open an archive by clicking Open straight from the action bar, or go to File and then click Open. Let's choose a sample archive and click Open. Once the archive loads, close the pop-up message. Now, in the Set Categories menu, we can easily navigate through the radio's data. First, let's go to the Device Information tab to see if we can edit any information there. As you can see, all the fields in this set are uneditable. Let's move on to the General set and edit some information there. This set has many different subtabs. Let's open General Settings. In this tab, we can edit a lot of information. For example, let's change the radio alias for this radio. Now let's change radio ID using the up and down arrows. As you can see, the General Settings tab also has many submenus available at the top of the information pane. Let's go to Battery Saver and see what we can edit there. Here we have many options that influence the battery life. We can extend it by, for example, disabling all tones. Let's do that. Okay, let's edit one more tab before saving the changes. Let's go to Text Messages from the Set Categories. Here you can enter messages that can later be assigned to a programmable button to quickly send them. Let's add a sample message by clicking the plus button. Now, if you don't save the changes and click the X button, the system will display a warning message. In this pop-up window, you can either save the new configuration or discard all the changes. For now, let's close the window by clicking Cancel. Let's try saving the archive using the Save function from the action bar. The system prompts us to change the name of the file in order to be able to save it. Let's click OK and go to File menu and select Save As. Now, change the name of the file and hit Save. Our newly configured archive has been saved. In this section, we will take a look at updating a device. First, make sure that your device is connected to your PC with a programming cable and turned on. Now let's click Update from the action bar. You can also use the Ctrl+U combination. A window with our connected device model opens. Let's slide to the right to see all available entries. Now, to select available update packages for our radio, we have to open the firmware version selection menu. In this case, we have one update package available. Let's select it. Notice how the Update button has become available. Let's click it to initiate the update. It might take a couple of minutes to update your device. If your update is installed successfully, you will get this message. Let's close this message by clicking OK. In this section, we will take a look at writing data to a device. Remember to write any changed data to your device. Otherwise, the changes will not be saved. First, make sure your device is connected to your PC via the programming cable. Now, with our device connected, let's open a code plug that we want to write to our device. Click Open from the action bar. Let's choose a sample archive and click Open. Click OK to close the message. Now with the code plug open, let's write it to our radio. We can do that from the device menu, straight from the action bar by clicking Write, or by using the key combination Control plus W. Let's click Write from the action bar. Now we have to wait until the application finishes the operation. If the write operation is successful, you will get this message. Let's click OK. Now your device will restart with the new code plug written into it. Motorola Solutions is exploring ways to enhance the overall user experience and improve cycle time response on customer-found software issues. CPS 2.0 provides an optional method to automatically collect information and send error logs to Motorola Solutions support team. The error logs include scenarios related to workflow errors, feature abnormality, critical software errors, and performance issues. The logs are automatically saved locally on your PC in Program Data, Motorola, Mototrbo CPS 2.0, Log, and may be automatically sent to a Motorola Solutions server if the feature is enabled in your CPS 2.0 settings. In this short section, we will take a look at how to enable uploading application logs to a remote server. To configure that setting, let's go to Tools menu. Now click Settings. In the Settings window, we have to go to Log. If you want to allow automatic log uploading, check this box. Always remember to save any changes you want to keep. You have to restart the application for the changes to take effect. The voice announcement set allows the user to map Motorola pre-recorded voice files to operation items, configure the voice announcement parameters, and load the voice file from CPS 2.0 into the radio. The recorded content is played when the user triggers the relevant operation item or a certain operation occurs, such as a channel announcement during the radio power-up. First of all, open a code plug or read a device. Once the configuration is loaded, open General folder and then Voice Announcement Set. File list contains all the audio files which you can assign to different triggers. To add a file, click the Add button. Now you can see all available audio files that you can add to your file list. If you want to add more audio files, add them to the Voice Announcement folder located in your CPS 2.0 installation folder, and they will appear on the list. Select the audio files you want to use and click OK. If you want to delete a file from your file list, click on it and then on the Delete button. Once you have some files on the file list, you can assign them to specific triggers. Scroll down to Voice Announcement File Selection